Monsoon calls for my favorite type of food today. Fried, spicy, crunchy and cheesy. Today we are making potato peel fries and we are going to also make a poutine out of them. Let's see how it's done. Let's start with the most important thing, the potatoes. Make sure it's a new crop and there's no dust or dirt over it. Make sure it's washed properly. This is how it should look after it's washed. Once the potatoes are peeled, you can store them in a bowl of water so that they don't change their color. I have skins of 4 potatoes right here. I'm just going to wash it once again and drain it on a kitchen towel. Make sure there is no moisture left in them. Once the peels are completely dry, I'm going to remove them in a clean bowl. I'm going to season the potato peels with salt, all-purpose flour, around 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to toss it around, making sure all the peels are covered in the dry mix and salt. Now it's time to fry these. I have a pot of hot oil ready over here on medium to high flame. I'm going to fry the potato skins in it. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan to ensure that they stay crispy. Once they look nice and crispy, remove them from the hot oil on a kitchen towel. I'm going to fry the rest of the skins in the same way. The potato peels are nice and crispy now. Let's make a quick spice mix to elevate these potato crisps. 1.5 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, half a teaspoon of orange zest. This is optional. 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is powdered sugar. Now we're simply going to mix this. Our potato skin fries are ready, our spice mix is ready. Now let's turn this into a poutine. I'm going to make a brilliant gravy to go on top of the poutine. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of flour. We're going to cook the flour till the raw taste is gone. The flour smells nice and nutty. Now I'm going to add in 3 cloves of garlic along with 4 shallots that have been finely chopped. Let's cook this. Once the shallots soften and the garlic is aromatic, add in 3/4 to 1 cup of vegetable stock for this. Mix it properly, making sure there are no lumps left. And now to season this, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire Sauce. Now we're going to let this cook till it thickens nicely. When it starts boiling, lower the flame and keep cooking till you're happy with the texture. Our sauce is nice and thickened. It smells really good. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. Our potato fries are now ready. Before we start assembling the poutine, I'm going to add the spice mix over the peels and toss it around. As soon as the spice mix hits the potato peels, it smells really amazing. Now I'm going to plate this. I'm going to sprinkle all the sesame seeds that have settled at the bottom. Next, I'm adding in some grated mozzarella cheese. I'm adding the cheese first so that the hot gravy can melt all of it. Try this during this monsoon season and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.